The 5 most dangerous birds of prey in the world. Flying high in the air with complete freedom, raptors have the best vantage point of any predator. Between the harpy, the eagle or the unsuspected gull, discover the 10 most dangerous and formidable raptor bird species in the world. The goshawk. The northern goshawk was reintroduced to Britain by falconers in the 1950s after disappearing from the territory in 1883. Discreet and difficult to spot, the northern goshawk is a fearsome opportunistic predator that stalks undercover before plunging in a fluid motion on medium-sized birds like pig, thrushes or crows. It also attacks small mammals, spinning at full speed thanks to its small, of around 115 centimeters, and thus surprising squirrels, field mice and moles which have little chance of escaping. Although both sexes have a very marked territorial behavior, les femelles, plus grands que les mâles, adequent animal qui tend de s'approcher du nid, et mais s'il s'agit d'un humain. Der et divide 11 inspoids adult, 12 kilograms alimentation, pigeons, faisans, lapins, lievres, curewels, rats, sur territoire Asie, Europe, Amérique du Nord, Russie. Le pigargue de Stellar. With an average weight of 6 kilograms, the Stellar sea eagle has a fierce appetite and feeds on coastal fish and birds, such as geese, swans, ducks and gulls in the maritime areas of Asia near of Russia. The abundance of prey at its disposal, including salmon and trout, has made it the heaviest and largest eagle in the world. It uses its binocular vision to locate its prey from a perch up to 30 meters high. It also flies over the sea, diving at the right moment to catch its prey and carry me through the air. Although its curved claws are shorter than those of the forest eagle, its feet have rough pads that allow it to grip its slippery prey while still ensuring a perfect grip. Lifespan 20 years. Adult weight 5 to 9 kilograms. Diet coastal fish and birds. Territory Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia, Japan. The seagull. 3. The seagull. In October 2014, the press published photos of a gull catching pigeons in Hyde Park, London, plunging them into a lake and then devouring them. Gulls are indeed famous for their ferocity, biting into the flesh of whales or fighting against small octopuses. Their mobile jaws, similar to those of snakes, allow them to open their beaks wide to swallow large prey. Their intelligence makes them formidable predators. They have been observed tapping the surface of the water with their feet to attract fish, seizing them with a pack when they approach. Lifespan 20 to 25 years. Adult weight 1 to 1.8 kilogram. Diet fish, eggs, small mammals, carrion territory coastlines of the globe. For Lapid-Faced Vulture. Vultures have a scavenger streak, seeking out dead animals where they might feed, but from the height of its 115 centimeters, which makes it one of the largest vultures, the Lapid-Faced Vulture imposes itself. The other species of vultures give way to it when it lands near a carcass, watching it tear the animal's flesh with its powerful beak, which also facilitates their work after its passage. He is also distinguished by his predatory spirit. When food is scarce, it does not hesitate to attack rodents or birds, to crush and devour the eggs of other birds or to steal. Lifespan 30 years. Adult weight 5 to 9 kilograms. Diet carrion, eggs, mammals. Territory African continent, Asia and Arabian Peninsula. The peregrine falcon. 5. The harpy. The emblematic animal of Panama is one of the best-known raptors on the American continent. Ferocious harpies are fearsome predators, soaring or flapping their wings at full speed, whose wingspan is similar to that of the golden eagle. They use their sharp beak to easily dismember sloths, monkeys, reptiles, and other medium-sized animals. They also have 13 centimeters talons, which are often compared to the claws of grizzly bears. Their paws can crush the bones of large mammals. With such power, they are not afraid to hunt on the ground as well. They attack armadillos, deer, and foxes. Lifespan 30 to 40 years. Adult weight 4 to 9 kilograms. Diet sloths, monkeys, reptiles. Territory South America,